Alright, question note, calculate the value of the fifth term T5 of this sequence. So in the always before open a question sequences, if it's geometric or arithmetic or a quadratic, the first thing we inside, okay, the situation sizobhala ilanduka first term yakho, sorry, first term yethu ngu-10, and then in geometric sequence lena masibhale ntoni i-common ratio yethu. I-ratio yethu sifumana ngosuke sidivide le term ngaphambili ngale ingasemva, so 5 divided by 10, 5 divided by 10 ngubani is a half, so r niyamazi uba it's a half. Alright, so ukuze sifumane u-T5 sizothini, sizohafa ubani, sizohafa the term yes ye-4, so term number 4 simdivide abani ngo-2, so fumana abani phayana 1.25 divided by 2 is 0.625. So fumana 0.625 because uyabona uba ukuzofumana elandelayo divide ngo2, elandelayo divide ngo2, right? So sesicovered because ayazi uba a ngu10 u-r naye ngo5. Now masiyeko question elandelayo. Question number 2 uthi determine the nth term of this the sequence in terms of n. So nth term equals a times r n minus 1 for each geometric sequence. Okay, a way to simple phansi yazi uba ngubani ngu10 a r naye bese simfumene bang it's go half, then go n minus 1, and then yintoni nth term yethu leya. Also I simplify sithi kubantu ngu10 times kubantu, so siyazi uba sino n minus 1. Okay, the question let's just start it explain why the infinite sequence series. Then okay, so Thomas explain why the series lena itheni I converge. So if a series ya converge or r funeka abe lesser than 1 or abe greater than a negative 1. So if no prove aba also will show that r wethu is between lendon le interval, then it means that the sequence yethu itheni ya converge. R wethu ngubani is a half. I-half injani is lesser than 1. A half is greater than minus 1. Therefore, the series converges, or that's the reason why it's not a series yethu iyathini iya-converge. Okay, now a fourth question yethu ithi question number 4. Simple power question number 4. Now question number 4 would determine s of determine the difference or s in sum of infinite terms, no sum of finite terms in the form, okay, of ab. Okay, now ndoba siyazi formula ka s. Okay, so of sum xa sifuna usama items geometric sequence as the infinite, sisebenzisa iformula ethi a over 1 minus r. Kanti for a sum of finite terms, that is mhlawumbe une terms ezi15 or une terms indixelela uba isequence yakho have a finite terms, so sibenzisa lena if formula 1 minus so it's r to the n minus 1 over r minus 1. Okay, now kuthiwa ntoni, it's a sum of infinite minus lena, so sizathini, so le formula si-subtracting ngalena sebenza exactly land. So it's a over 1 minus r minus a to the exponent rn minus 1 over r minus 1. Okay, so nizojika lena i-denominator ifana nephi naleyana, so izajani go change i-sign phayana. So okay, mangenza step by step so that sizoyibona it's 1 minus r minus it's no a times r to the n minus 1 apha zawuthini, so kufuna ubeka 1 ngapha u-r abe ngapha, so zakuba u-negative abe i-common factor phayana, so ndino 1 ndino minus r. So xa multiply throughout ngala negative kwakhona u-negative u-1 u-negative bani u-r. That's why sithi itheni la negative nala negative xa zimultiply nizaba ngubani, zaba positive. Okay, cacile ne, so masimsusula negative pha so multiply nalo 1. Okay, now common LCD common denominator ubani la 1 minus r, so sinabani sino 1 minus okay sino 1 minus r LCD yethu, and then ngapha phezulu saba no a, ngapha sino a r to the n minus 1. Okay, so masiqhubekeke ngapha. Okay, siqhubekeke ngapha, and then so kuphu a apha is a common factor because yabona a khona nangapha. Kuphu a is a common factor, so along 1 plus 1 r to the n minus 1. All right, over 1 minus r. Okay, so show long banpangu a times 1 minus 1 goes 0, so it's a to the rn, 1 minus r. All right, and then also substitute a way to best term 5, r way to best term 1 is a half to the exponent 1 n over r way to best term 1 go half, so it's 1 minus a half 1, it's a half. Okay, and then now because the peleless space ngifuna igqibezele ngapha, so sithi nabani phayana no 5 phezulu times o1 to the exponent n times bani o2, because xa utshintsha i-division sign to multiplication sign invert fraction yakho, so ngu-10 lowana to n half to the n, and then sigqibile la question lwa hlobo. Okay, first term yethu ngubani ngu-10 phayana instead of 5, so senze a mistake, so it's gonna be u10 times o2 kubani lo ngu-20, and then sibeka sigqibile lwa hlobo. Okay,
it's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing, it's amazing, so amazing.